This wonderful personal size bundle comes with this fabulous little personal diffuser. You can put it in your pocket, in your backpack. You could diffuse it in your car, or if you're at a meeting at work, in your office. Great to have by your bedside. Put some lavender in it at night to help you sleep. This bundle comes with 10 ml sizes, 3 essential oils. The first one is sweet orange. That will brighten your spirits. The citrusy smell will lighten up your day. And of course, peppermint, which is great for headaches and all kinds of other sorts of things. People love the smell of peppermint. And then it comes with a full size of my Synergy oil blend, thick as Thieves. And it's got lots of antibacterial, antifungal, immune support oils in there. Great to have on hand if there's been anyone around that's not felt well in your home. It will kill germs, so you can just put your little diffuser on, or of course if you have a bigger one, you add about 6 drops in there and you can kill the germs in your home. So this little bundle, I'm putting it on the Shopify site today, so it will be immediately available for purchase. Thank you, and thank you for supporting local.